Hello everybody, my name is Devashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Trainer as well as Cisco Networking Specialist at the Indian Cyber Security Solutions, and these are my LinkedIn and Twitter contact informations. Today I'm going to speak about the Eigrp Authentication. Eigrp Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol has a feature known as AS, Autonomous System. AS is a logical bounded area where all the routers reside, and routers inside a particular AS are called neighbor routers. Those neighbor routers exchange routing updates between themselves inside an autonomous system. We want to implement authentication for the routing updates. How to implement authentication? We have to first configure a key chain. Then we have to give a key value and then a key string. Key string is like a password. The key string should match between the neighbor routers in order to share routing updates. So the key string is a very unique value that you should give, and those values should be set same on both the routers. MD5 algorithm is used for configuring authentication, and to configure key string, the MD5 authentication is used. Now, what are the advantages of configuring authentication? Authentication protects routers from unauthorized routing updates, means a hacker may try to form adjacency with my neighbor routers by sending false or fake malicious updates to my routers. And if my routers accept those routing updates, then the attacker will gain access to my network. I want to prevent it by configuring authentication. So this was the theory part of authentication, and now I'm going to show you the authentication configuration practically in GNS3 simulator. Now this is our simulator. There are router 1 and router 2. Go to R1, go to the console, the IP address to the serial port, (11,001), and configure the Eigrp. The base number say 10, and configure the networks. You can use the wildcard as 0000. It will take all the networks associated with the interfaces. And also on R2, give IP address 11,002. Configure Eigrp. Now you can configure the authentication. Config mode. First, implement key chain, say ISSS. Then under it, a key value, say key value is 1. And then the very important thing, key string, say 1, 2, 3. And now implement it on interface serial 1 by 0, IP authentication mode, Eigrp system 10, and the algorithm to used MD5. And then again IP authentication. See, it is already saying that the Eigrp relationship is down. Why? Because I've configured authentication on this R1 router but not on R2. Now we give the key chain IP authentication, key chain, EIGRP number system 10, and the keychain is this. Now on R2, do the same thing. See, it is already showing as authentication failure because the authentication is not configured on R2. Give keychain as SSS, key value as 1, and key string to be 123. Serial port, IP, authentication, mode, EIGRP from system 10, and algorithm MD5. And IP authentication, keychain, 10, and the keychain value is SSS. See, the adjacency has come up because both the key strings have matched between these two routers, and these routers are now neighbor routers. They can share routing updates. But now, if I change the key string value, say for example, I am removing the keychain. I'm removing the keychain. So again, the authentication failure is happening. I'm again configuring keychain, key value 1, but the key string this time is not 123, it is say 789. Now, if you give the command debug eigrp packets, you should see the authentication failure message that it's coming here, that the authentication is mismatched. Continuously, it will show you the message. Now, you just turn off the debugging for now, giving the command undebug all, and now you again remove the keychain once again and configure it like previous one, equal to 1, and the key string this time is again 123 like the previous one. Now see, yes, the adjacency has come up again. So the main part is the key string. The key string should match between the routers in order to form the adjacencies and in order to share routing updates between themselves. So that's all about the EIGRP authentication. I have shown you the practicals, and also I have also described the theory part for EIGRP authentication. So that's it for today. I will come with some other new topic some other day. For now, goodbye.